Hello again. We are in step 16, and the only thing that we're doing here is that we are renaming our regions of interest, the predicted regions of interest by the start-list model. So before, we had these zip files generated, and you can see that the rows inside the zip files are named like that. And I don't know if there's a way to change that in that code, so I made an extra code to change that now. First thing we should do is that we can take all these zip files, probably with Control and A is better to make sure you have everything, and then Control and C to select them all. And what I'm doing now is that I'm creating a new folder, and let's call it renamed predictions, like that. All right, and I want to save my results in here. Okay. What I'm also gonna need now is create a second folder, and this is the unzipped predictions, and I still have copied my files, so I paste them here. So the zip files, the predictions of the start list. And what I want to do is that I want to unzip them all, Control and A preferably, 7-zip, and I go to extract to and the asterisk to make a file for each of these zips. And after I've done this, I don't need the zip files anymore. The code works with folders instead of zips. That's why you have to do this small conversion. But after you do that, it should be fine. So from now on, it's quite easy actually. I go to Python scripts and I go to rename rows, not remove rows. Don't mistake these two. Here I have to select the kernel called start list all. Right. If you haven't selected that, you will also be able to do it from here. There will be a kernel option, and then you will type the start list all. And once you do that, you can run the code. So let's run the code. Run Python file, locate main row folder, and I will locate, of course, the unzipped predictions. And for the output folder, I will select the renamed predictions. And that's it. It's run already. And as you can see now, before we had this kind of rows, and now we have rows which are more easier to work with. And also, as you'll see in the future, separate from other rows that we will add manually, because the manually added rows will have different names, so we'll be able to know which ones were predicted by the network and which ones we added later on. Also, when you want to overlay the names of your rows inside your row, you don't want something that's too big. So this is easier to work with. That was it.